everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share a new video, part 10, in Kitchen and Cooking Vocabulary series. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn some new words. Let's begin. Introduction. In this video, we will learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Garlic press, a kitchen tool that crushes garlic cloves by squeezing them through small holes. Potato masher, a kitchen tool used to crush cooked potatoes for making mashed potatoes. Pizza cutter, a tool with a round blade, used for slicing pizza. Ice cream scoop, a tool used to serve ice cream. Sieve, a tool used to separate liquids from solids or small bits from big bits. Bottle opener, a tool used to remove bottle caps. Kitchen shears, strong scissors for kitchen use. Poultry shears, strong scissors made for cutting through chicken and other bird bones. Bone, to remove the bones from meat or fish. Dip. To briefly immerse food in a liquid or sauce. Dissolve. To combine a solid ingredient with a liquid until it's completely dissolved. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the culinary world. And as always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget before you go to share the video and like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet. See you next time. Bye.